Have you ever been in the position where you are either learning or training a new transaction in a computer system, and as the learner, for example, you look from your screen up to the trainer's screen and realise that what's up there and what's down here is completely different. You are lost in the transaction. Or as a trainer, you're up the front of the room and you're training your piece and you look back over your learners and you see all these blank faces. And next minute, you're down helping them all to get back on the same page that you are. Well, I've been in both positions, and then a colleague of mine taught me a really simple yet powerful process that he used when he was in the military teaching soldiers how to use weapons. And it starts with understanding the concept. So the concept is the why. This is the part that builds relevance. So why am I learning this? What's the benefit for the learner to learn this? And then we get to the heart of it, which is EDIP. So we start with E. What could E stand for? It's the first step in our teaching process, which is to explain. This is where we give the learners a verbal command. D is for demonstrate. This is where we demonstrate what we have just explained. I is for imitate. This is where the learner gets an opportunity to actually imitate what they have just seen and heard. And then we've got P for practice. And what do all the experts say? That the 3 keys to mastery are to practice, practice, practice. One of the great things about this methodology is that it breaks it down into manageable chunks and reduces the firefighting from our learners getting lost in the transaction. Because one of the things that we tend to do as trainers is to merge the EDI together. Keeping it apart in a step-by-step process ensures that we prevent our learners from getting confused and frustrated and disengaged, but rather having them engaged and excited about what it is that they're learning. Because at the end of the day, we want our learners to go away with a sense of clarity and understanding.